Tell us more. I'm a big girl. I'm 6 months old tomorrow. Who would have thought? What? Yeah? What else do you want to tell us? Like your outfit? Looks like it might be fun to try to taste. Are you going to try to taste it? No. What else? You going to do more smiles? You say the itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and what? Washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. No more. Not doing much talking at all. All right.